Hey friends, a lot of users have reported that they have empty 0 byte files on Windows. Now it is very difficult to delete them because there's no delete option. Furthermore, there is no way to detect all of them, and then this cleanup is not working on them either. So no problem, I have a PowerShell command for you. Just run it and it will delete all 0 byte empty files. I have shared it in the description section of the video. All you need to do is copy it, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste it here and hit enter. It will delete all the empty 0 byte files on your system, thus cleaning it up. Though it won't make much of a difference to the space on your computer, but yes, it will declutter your system for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.